Hush website also. Cool. So, myself, Ankit Kumar Singh, I'm customer engineer at Hush, and I want, before starting this interview, I have few stuff for you. First is try to
Mm.
be short and crisp. First, you will be starting with a demo, then the presentation. If I sound too fast, if you want me to like Ankit, kindly be slow or some stuff, just raise your hand, just say me. If you unable to understand some stuff, let me know. And likely we have two rounds. First round is this, and the second round will be taken by the technical DRIs, where they will be funneling you. Also, our Manish, the CEO and founder of the Hush, or our CTO Justin, will take the interview of you.
Okay.
So we can start, Ashnavi.
Yeah.
Cool.
Even the
If you want,
CTO is like there this time. Is it?
yeah, but
Like last time, I think the CEO, like Manish sir, were there, but CTO is also
yeah,
there. Like CTO. Okay.
CTO is Justin.
Yeah.
Basically, yeah, you can go into the Hush website and you can funnel the stuff. We have around uh, 27
Yeah.
team members all around the globe. So, cool. Can we start?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're comfortable
So
in camera, is it fine? If you're not comfortable, you can close your camera, please.
okay, fine. While presenting, let it be. Then while questioning round, if you have like, that time,
Cool. Cool. Cool.
also, I wanted to ask. So I should start with the presentation round right now. Is it like
Yeah. You.
the demo, right, with you,
Yeah.
and then again I'll have to do it second time that way.
Yeah. Just start with your demo.
Okay. I'll start with the demo and then I'll. Okay.
By the way, what is your team name, Vaishnavi?
My name I have like it's just individuals, so I have kept it like Geek Goddess.
What is your
By Geek
team
Goddess, I have
team name?
registered.
Okay. Cool.
Geek Goddess. That's what. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, your screen is
Okay.
visible. You can start.
I would firstly like to start with a presentation. I'll keep it short itself. But before
Mm-hmm.
understanding what I have made, it will be better that I present because that will help to understand what I have actually created. Okay, so
Cool.
my name is Vaishnavi Bhavsar, and the problem statement which I have chosen for the DataNexus Hackathon 2024 is Hush Browser Companion, the problem statement category basically. And why I chose this was because my inclination towards the technologies were more inclined towards the ones which are used in Hush Browser Companion. Then the next one is the problem statements which I have tried to cater. The first is the lack of comprehensive tool to compare the same products across different purchasing platforms based on price, ratings, or reviews. Um, like for some time, could you just off your mic because the background disturbance is there? Yeah, thank you. The lack of comprehensive tools. Basically, here I mean to say that there are like we have created, you all have like created the Hush companion browser, but currently the problem which is majorly faced even by me when I am searching across platforms for the same products, one problem which is faced is like comparing between two platforms where I could get a better product or at a better price. So this was one thing. The second is the scattered wish list due to long list of collection of items in separate wish list. Of course, this problem is created by Hush browser companion, but that was actually the problem statement as well. So I made sure that I actually solve that or try doing the things which are actually implemented as well by the Hush team. The next is users face issue to track real-time availability of product. So in the uh, browser extension itself, I've tried showing whether a particular product is available in the stock or whether it is not available. Then let's go on. The solution statements, as I mentioned, enables user to the first solution which I have created, which is a product in itself. I would say it is that it enables user to compare the same products across different platforms, showcasing the price differences. Whereas also reviewing the reviews and the ratings. The next is developed a browser extension that securely collects and stores products added to user wish list across multiple e-commerce platforms. Then the last, I would say I have created is that notifying users about the availability status of the products which are added in their wish list. Okay. Now, like even like I have catered particular problems, have found whatever solutions I could provide, but at the same time, I have few ideas which I feel that can be added to Hush browser. I think this is something major which Hush is also looking for. What things could be added? Then the first is the comparison of product price, as I have like the first two, these two I have implemented. The next I feel which can be a point which can be implemented in Hush browser companion. That is integration with loyalty programs, enabling users to earn points rewards for purchases made through browser companion. Just like we have on Paytm or such platforms that we get particular rewards when we do continuous payments of purchases. In a same way, we do have the same for Flipkart and Amazon, which can be implemented in the browser companion. Uh, yeah, extension. Next is gift registration feature to remind and create gift registry for a special occasion. Now we know that Diwali and Dasera and few more festive seasons come, Raksha Bandhan, during which the user has actually like is something might have stored something in their wish list, but they forget it at whenever they want to purchase. They search across the platforms, but they don't find whatever they had wanted. So there could be a section where gift registration feature added in the Hush browser company. Next is sending login alerts via mail. Now, this is one thing I feel that could be added to Hush companion browser companion because whenever we log in or whenever the user puts their email ID and logs in, it is important that the user should get a mail regarding that you have logged in through such mail ID on this platform because of course the Hush team focuses on privacy and security. So this I consider it as a part of that. This feature could be added basically. Next is allowing brand to promote their products prominently within the extension in exchange for a fee. Of course, this is kind of AdSense part which could be added, or instead of saying AdSense, promoting more of those brands which have been like which are funding the particular product. Okay. Then next is the earning model and competitive market study. We can actually come to this after the execution part. So firstly, I would like to present this. I hope I'm audible, by the way. Just in between, let me know. Hello?
Yeah, yeah, you're audible when you're. I'm
Okay.
giving a thumbs up for that.
No, but I'm not, I haven't, my screen is like I'm doing screen sharing. That's why.
Cool,
Fine.
cool, cool, cool. No worries.
Now, this is the one I was talking about the comparison of two products, like same products across two platforms. So I'll just show the demo for better understanding. Mm, okay. So I have created this. Okay. I have created this Python and Selenium based platform. Facing some error assist.
Cool, cool. Don't be nervous. Take your time.
Yeah. Okay, I'll come back to this.
You don't have any recordings? Uh,
I do have, in fact, wait.
you are facing any error, you can take the next 5 minutes and get it resolved.
Okay. Or should I present the remaining stuff and then come back in some
Yeah,
time?
yeah.
So this was the one I have created. The extension, basically, I have created a browser extension in which user can go across Amazon, Flipkart platforms and add the products to their wish list. So now here, whatever is the extension I have added, okay. This is one thing in which I have focused more on UI UX part. While I was using the Hush browser companion, one issue which I faced was like regarding the password setting. uh, I I feel that there could be this function where the user, while setting their password, creating their password, could have some conditions on which the password should be set, like at least four characters, one uppercase, uppercase, one number, and one special character. No. Okay. Like for example, also the toggle I button, which I faced issue was like it's not working on the Dash browser companion, which I tried implementing here. Yeah. So only when all the cases are satisfied, the entire screen, the entire these conditions will turn to green, and then you can sign, log in. And this is a basically static hash wish list which I had created. Also, I have a code in which I have only implemented the wishlist part, where the user, while they add their products to their wishlist, they'll be able to see it in their wishlist live there and there. So, for example, this one is add to wish list, and these are the products which are added to wish list. Um, yeah, this is one thing, and basically here I was trying to work with similar thing. I was trying to implement for for my idea, as well as according to the problem statement as it was given, to implement a browser extension. So this was one thing, and another one. Give me like 5 to 10 minutes. I'll fix that bug and I'll come back to you.
So, do you need, you can fix this on the recording or you want the time and then you rejoin?
Actually, need some time because I had run this. Yeah.
Cool. Cool. I will wait for 10:25. Till then you can rejoin this meet or let me know like you can schedule it for tomorrow because or you can fix it right now.
Mm, I'll try fixing it right now. If I face an issue, then I'll let you know. Is it fine?
Yeah, it's totally fine. I'm in the meet. You can rejoin and I will be waiting till 10:25 or 10:30. Let me know.
Okay, fine. Hello, Ankit.
Hello.
Yeah, done with it.
Okay, so can you please share the screen?
Yeah, just a bit. Like this is the screen. I'll run it again.
So this is to compare the pricing of the
Uh,
product, right?
yeah. For now, the input needed is the URL part. Just
URL of the both the products. So
yeah.
you are you have some predefined features and you are comparing that, right?
Yeah, predefined features which I have considered for the table part, and then those features particularly will be compared from both the sides. The like all that data will be fetched from both the sides and will be displayed here. Like
And likely, can you please show me
yeah,
the flow behind this? Like, what
okay.
stuff you are doing on the behind it? Or you can explain me. Like,
Mm,
for
yeah.
example, I'm putting the URL, and then yeah,
Should I explain the code part itself
yeah,
directly
yeah,
or
yeah,
then
yeah. Just try
yeah.
to be short and fast because we are running late.
Yeah. The libraries which I have okay, it started and just the libraries which we are like I have used here is Streamlit, Selenium, and Tablet. Selenium, Streamlit, firstly because I am going to run the front end part on there itself. Firstly, the fetch data function which is here, it will be used to initialize as well as um, initialize and Selenium. Yeah, it will fetch the data from URL basically and opens up the browser for like collecting the similar data. It
Mm-hmm.
will run a dictionary containing both, we can say. Uh, See, like the first one here is fetch data from Amazon. It will fetch that particular data from the Amazon website. At the same time, after like completion of this code, it will move on to the Flipkart website and start fetching the same data
So
from the Flipkart
scrapping the
website.
details, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. So fine.
Hmm?
So now you can switch to the demo and let me show me. I got the point.
I'll run it again for some reason. Hmm. Code is not terminating. Just
Cool. No worries, Vaishnavi. I think we are we are having just like last 5 minutes. I have some few other question. I got your whole product. Can you switch to the yeah, fine. Can you switch to your PPT?
okay. Yep.
So you have built the Hush browser companion, something around that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So
Exactly.
yeah, fine. So in the next 48 to 60 hours, likely, do you know who is Apu?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
He is
Yeah,
he is the one who is leading the browser companion.
yeah. Do you have any meet previously with him?
Yeah, in one of the meet where there was some participant who had like doubts. So that day itself, Apurva had also there was one meet kept for browser companion. The first meet at that time I had joined, and the next one was like for these. I had just asked him that can I build a product which is not mentioned in the problem statement, but of course it can be used for the browser companion.
Cool,
That's
cool. So, in the next 48 to 60 hours, uh,
mm,
just let me know, like, when you're done with few updates, I will let you know. First is like building the basic stuff, like where you are counting, because When once you're done with all this backlog and all these blockers, just share me
Hmm.
your demo with your voiceover and keep it simple. I don't want any edits. Just keep it simple. Just record the screen with your voice so that I can share with the team. Then the
Hmm.
next round will be taken by Apu. So I will spare, I will excuse you for this, but still utilize that. And on the product understanding, what I want to ask from you, like how
Hmm.
you are thinking like this is useful for Hush.
The one which I have built, the
Yeah,
product.
yeah,
Okay. Now, currently, if we see in the Hush browser companion, as I told that this I consider is as a need, the comparison between two products. I believe that it can be implemented in Hush browser companion
yeah. Mm-hmm.
for like increasing its user base, maybe good. And of course, every software needs some applications which due to which the user will come up to use that particular software. So this is something I consider can be added to the Hush browser companion firstly.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and like a few bugs which I had come across, those um that is something I consider.
Mm, still, I'm not getting what I'm asking. Like, can you please be like, can
Okay.
you please answer me in simple, short, and crisp, and like, on the point of usability? Like, yeah, I'm getting it. Like, you can resolve the bugs and you can counter the all the bugs. What new features you are adding in
Okay.
this?
The one I consider is availability of like showing the availability of a particular stock, whether it is available or not. Next
Mm-hmm.
is I have made this entire Selenium plus Python based project where which I believe it can be added to the extension, because currently in the browser companion extension, the features which I have come across is adding to wish list. Next is considering the user, we can say what kind of things are user liking, like if a user is purchasing a Puma brand of some particular brand, that graph will be created and will be plotted to show the user their recommendations will be according to it. But like while I used the entire browser extension, I didn't come across anything which will help the user to track the price first thing, because price is not considered like there. Next is the reviews, and the reviews as well as the ratings, because even if you are purchasing something, you would go for the like that you would go for the product or that site which is selling with a higher ratings or higher reviews, or higher good reviews instead. So this is something which I found is not there in browser extension, companion browser companion, which I believe can be implemented, or this feature which can be added to the browser companion.
Cool, fine. So once you're done with the blockers, let me know. You can contact directly as you have my contact also, and also ping. Like I will schedule a official meet, and you will get an official invite from Team Hush where we will be taking you the next round. But before that, I definitely want to clear this all the blockers. I don't want to have
Okay.
something like
Yeah.
we are facing. Well, don't worry. Like it's really natural. Don't get nervous, but still try to remove this all. And when you're
Yeah.
making some demo, keep it useful. Like on the product understanding, let me know. Yeah, the whole thing you explain. Like this can help. Harsh. Have you funneled out the browser company? Like have you used that?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
Have you used any other product of Hush?
Almost all of them, I can say.
Hush Wallet and
But
all this?
the Hush wallet, I was not able to, because the reason was that it was not opening on my phone itself. Like that
Cool.
was the
Yeah.
problem.
So go.
Rest.
Yeah, yeah. No worries. Go on the general channel,
Hmm?
channel of the
Uh-huh.
Discord,
Okay.
and there you can provide all these feedbacks. Just ping our team any DRI and go into, like for example, we have different channel. We have separate channel for Hush Wallet. We have
Separate
separate.
for
Yeah,
everything. Yeah.
yeah. Go there and just let us know, because this will help you to build your profile. Also, this will help us to reward you also in the top 10.
Okay.
That's frankly speaking, I am very honest that I speak this to all of the candidates, that be
Hmm.
interactive to the team, because at last we knows only who just interact with us, who call us like, sorry, I am stuck in this, or like, sir, this is the feedback from my side. Like this hackathon is for the both side, not like just you hack this stuff, you just build the product and then
But
like go off. Like in later on we can sponsor you, or you can come inside the Hush browser companion team and you can help us.
okay.
Cool. Yeah, cool. So I think I am done with this. I'm checking your GitHub. Like uh, I'm checking your commits right now. So I am seeing 5 commits, and these commits are made on July 10, and few are just 6 to 9 hours before, right? So I think
Yeah.
this whole project is developed in the phase of the Hush hackathon. Cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So once you're done with the demo, you can upload into to the YouTube, or you can just share me on the WhatsApp. I will share this with team, and then once they will recommend me, I will pass my feedback to them also. They can schedule
Hmm.
your next interview in the next 48 to 70 hours. Is
Okay, I
it fine,
got it.
Rashmi? Do
Okay,
you have
fine.
any other question?
No, like anything other than this that is expected, like.
Yeah. See, the only stuff what I suggest to all the
Hmm.
candidates is before coming to interview, just have funnel out all the products. Like, don't only like you are doing the problem statement of browser campaign is totally fine, but funnel out all the product, interact with all the DRIs, let them know like what you are stuck at, and then you can share as the feedback. Like, uh, this is the current feedback from I can integrate this here, or I can integrate this in the Hush wallet also. Like, don't restrict you inside the problem statement. The second
Okay, okay.
feedback
Like
which
I can consider it, even I can consider whatever my ideas are for other things also, like the hash button or a vibe search or anything
yeah,
like
Hush
that.
Connect
You said.
also. You have the
Okay.
basic, for example, all the communication will be happening through Hush Connect too. So
Yeah.
because we are in startup, we love your feedback, and definitely we run out of your feedback. So be interactive. And the second feedback which I personally feeling here is
Hmm.
try to try to disclose a good demo. I saw your demo you have shared using the Google form. Try to disclose a good demo where your voice is high. May you can open your camera, or like may your keep it interactive.
Hmm.
And and just don't rush around the problem statement, rush around the Hush products. What I personally feel.
Okay.
Yeah, cool. Do you have
Because
any
I like
question?
thought,
Yeah,
no, this is
yeah,
that was the thing. Okay.
yeah. Cool. Okay. So I think we are done.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do
Thank
you
you.
want this recording?
Yeah. Please do provide. So I'll.
Cool. 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 Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.